morning students and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Tara Kapadia and I'm going to give you brief information about Standard 10 English, chapter number 7, Glimpses of India. Now before to start this chapter, I want to give you brief information about this chapter. This chapter is divided into 3 parts, and the first part is Glimpses of India's first part is The Bakers from Goa. Now this chapter is written by Yogius, and he was a freelancer and he belongs to the Goa only. So he wants to share such past incidents or past values of Goa, and especially Goa was famous for their bakery items, right? Because the bakers of Goa were very famous. They make a good kind of bakery items actually, right? And especially the bakery, because especially the bangles they made was very famous, right? So bread bangles was very famous. So before I start the chapter, part 1, bakers from Goa. So in this chapter, that is the comparison between the current Goa and the previous year's Goa, when the Portuguese ruled over the India and they occupied the Goa portion under them. So during that time only, the bread was very famous because Portuguese people love to eat bread more, right? So from that time only, the bakers were very famous and they were very rich actually, because that business was very profitable at that time, and that was shown by their family, their attire, or we can say their hulky body, we can say that, right? So in this chapter, the bakers were very famous actually from this Goa, and in the ancient times, the Portuguese times, the bakers were very famous, but nowadays that bakers are still not alive, but there are some continue the same profession and they are making bakery items actually. So now from that days only, here writer want to share that from their childhood only, they were very eager to eat that bakery things, to eat that burnt bangles, right? So even in Goa, the whole Goa is accompanied by the Portuguese culture actually. Even nowadays also, if we visited Goa, right, so we can say that kind of culture still existing now also. So their childhood, they seen that bakers came to their village twice in a day, in the morning to sell their bakery items, to sell their breads and all, and in the evening they went back to their home. So the whole village were very curious to buy that bangles, and the writer is talking about himself that when he was very small, he wants to choose a perfect bangle for him, right, to eat, because there were very decorative and colorful bangles, right, bread bangles were there, and he liked it most. So this is the thing, even that bakers wants to sell with a drum and drumstick, and they want to make a sound of chang chang, so that the people came around them came to know that bakers came to sell the bakery items and people have to go there and buy the things. So this was very exciting, and that was very joyful moment actually of the childhood memories of this poet, of this writer actually, right? So this is the thing, even in the Goa, the people loves this kind of bread also. Even the bread maker, right, the bakers are called bride. They wear a knee-length waistcoat, which was very huge and big, right? So whenever we can see that kind of person who is wearing a big waistcoat, we can easily remember that Goa bakers. Then their clothes systems, their clothes tradition changed, and they wear a knee length, or apart from that, they wear the pant. So it looks very unique costume for them, right? And even nowadays also, if the people are wearing that kind of clothes, so we are easily call them that they are the Goa bakers actually. It's a very fun kind of thing, but people always remember Goa for their Portuguese baker systems also. Even from that time also, if we are talking about the ancient time, the Portuguese time also, people were very busy in this profession, and it was actually a profitable profession. Whenever this bakery items were sold, they earned so much money, and the whole calculation was going to give at the end of the month. So every month they gain money whenever they sell the items, and that list out they put on the wall somewhere. Some wall they list out the such things that these people have to give this kind of money. So this is the whole preoccupation or calculation, I may say, right? So at the end of the month they gain much amount of money, they can survive. Even if we are talking about the jackfruit people, here jackfruit people means fat people who is very healthy, who is looking very healthy. So if we are talking about the jackfruit people, we quickly came into the idea that the Goa's bakers are look like jackfruit, because they have so much money, they are very well prepared, they are very wealthy. So it directly looks on their attire actually and their behavior also. Nowadays also, if you visit Goa, so you can see these kind of so many bakery items, and especially the bread bangles are very famous for that. Even from that kind of tradition and from today also, if we compare those parties or some marriage occasion or some different kind of occasion, so we can see these bakery items, right? Because without this bakery, because without this bread, their occasion is no less. Even in marriages also, in daughter's marriage, they used to have sandwiches. Then in parties they used to have a bread, a bar, right? And in some small kind of parties they have ball. So they have different kind of bakery items in different occasion. And without that thing, this occasion was actually incomplete for them. People didn't like that occasion if the bakery items are not there. So this shows that how enthu the people are, right? Even the interest, the maintaining of that interest or the taste is still going on, which is the good part of that. So this is the thing from this chapter, that these bakers from Goa are still alive, their sons are still alive, and they are making these bakery items for us only. So whenever you plan to visit Goa, you must visit these Portuguese areas, or you must visit the bakeries where they have their ancient things, they have their ancient taste or material, you can say, right? Because nowadays also the Goa people loves to eat bread items, the bakery items more compared to the wheat items or some rice items others, right? So this is the thing we came from this chapter. We have an idea about this chapter, that the Goa makers, right? The Goa bakers are well enough about the famous things about the bakery items in all over India or all over the world also. So this is the thing in this chapter. I think you have enough idea about this chapter, the part 1. Okay, we will continue the next part with the next video. So see you soon. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.